Good evening, hello, how are you? Let's talk about this penny stock right now that is making a lot of waves in the stock market. The ticker on this one's going to be FAMI. Now, these guys are very new, so I'm going to try to just make this a roundabout what is going on right now. I'm not going to go into like a full book into the first chapter detail of who these guys are and where they came from. We'll talk a little bit about that, but I want to talk about what we're seeing right now with this. If you're looking to make a fast buck, just there's a lot of people that they're just looking for penny stocks. They're just looking for stocks that are at a very low cost and that we can see a run coming. And right now we're looking at a run right now with these guys right now. So let's talk about that. So first off, this company is having news come out. They are making strides to become a bigger, better company. Now, this is a company that is based in China, but they are new to being on the stock exchange. So they have no splits, reverse, or forward when it comes to stock splits. And pretty much their bread and butter, they are a agriculture supplier, processor, and retailer. Listen guys, I'm going to be right straight to the point. This is not something that I'm looking to invest in deeply into the future. This is not something that I'm going like, man, 10 years from now, this might be the next Apple. That's not what I'm saying with this company. But what I am saying is this could bring you a nice little run right here with what we're seeing with the company. So we know in March, these guys said that they had around 16 million in cash, which isn't a ton of money, but it is still a good bit of money that they have on hand. Now, looking at a chart, the stock has been reacting to the company coming out. The CEO has been talking a lot about what they're wanting to do for their future and that they are acquiring other businesses as well right now. This company has got a good bit of news going on right now. There's a lot going on right now, and they make quite a bit of different products. They're very big in China. And listen, this is not a new company. This company has been around for quite a while, just not on the stock exchange here. I love when I find penny stocks like this because it's almost somewhat guaranteed that you're gonna see a run here. Now, what this run is going to produce here with, are we going to see 40, 50, 60? I definitely think that's possible, especially if we see more news come out here, and especially about this developing deal that we are watching right now with this company and these other companies that is going into business with. But this company is getting a lot of attention right now. When I type them up on Google Trends, a lot of people are very interested in this company. Now, the only thing that could hurt you as an investor in this could be a slow running penny stock. And I say that because this is a company that is based in China, and I have seen the stocks, they don't move as fast. We could see that, but that could almost just be the negative right now with this. This almost reminds me of Bombardier. I don't know if you guys know of Bombardier, but I've been talking about Bombardier since they've been a 40-cent stock, and now it's almost at a $2 stock. But that is taking over a 6 to 7 month range for that stock to go from a 40-cent stock to almost $2 at this point, because the company is slowly coming out with news. They're slowly trying to get their butts back in gear to where they want to be as a company. And this kind of reminds me right now what I'm reading with this company. And a lot of the times stocks are kind of just the same. They follow the same pattern. They're kind of just creatures of habit. Now, when these guys came onto the stock exchange, the highest they ever hit was right around a $10 mark. Now, this being a food company, and we'll just say it's a food company, I don't live in China. I don't know what this looks like over there. I don't know if how much this is imported into America. So this is something you're kind of just reading news on, and you're just going based on, if you follow penny stocks, you can look at this chart and you can go, yeah, I've definitely seen this kind of movement before. Now, just 3 months ago, this stock had a similar walk up when it went from this 30-cent range all the way walking into almost a 60-cent range, then falling back down into this 20-cent range. And then if we go right here to volume, we're seeing some big volume here just in August into September here. This stock is getting traded around quite a bit. And then today kind of tapering off, but still incredibly high volume, right around the 100 million volume. And it's still moving here a little after hours. So friends, with this one, we're going to watch this very closely. I've always got a handful of penny stocks that I'm watching or either investing in just to make some extra money on the side that I can throw into something else. This is, like I said, this is not a penny stock that I'm going like, hey, this might be something you want to invest in for the long run. I wouldn't say that personally right now at the moment, for me at least. This is a company that's bringing in money. This is a company that's still kind of a young company, I would say, especially in the processed food business, and that's in another country. But do I think we could see a run here up to 40 to 50? Yeah, definitely. It's done that a few times in the past already, so I would not say that would be unlikely at this point, especially with these still going on, with news still coming out right now, and volume has just been insane. But I will say this, don't be shocked to see this thing go from a 37-cent range to a 30-cent range to a 35-cent range, 28-cent range, then back to a 35-cent range. I think you're going to have a lot of teeter-totter around here, but still maybe walking up into a 40 to 50 cent range here. But I think it's going to happen pretty slow here from the looks of what the stock usually does, which is totally fine. But friends, this is uncharted territory with this stock. It's very new to the market, and there always is that thing in the background. A reverse split. Don't want to be a part of a reverse split. Not fun, let me tell you. So friends, until next time when we talk about these guys, Fami, I like what's going on here. I'm quite a fan of it. A little bit of a money maker here. Let's watch this volume. Let's watch the news. And let's see how it handles going into October here. So friends, with all that said, I wish you all the best of luck. I really do mean that. I hope this does something for you. If you invest in this, let me know if you are investing in this, and let me know what you think about this. I really do like people's thoughts and everyone talking, helping each other understand where this thing might go. But friends, thank you so much. Remember, be positive, be you, take time to invest in your future. Very important, friends. I will talk to you soon. Bye, everyone.